All right, all right. So we got an box to open up. Here's some information about their kukri. Armory replica, and it says right here, it was made in India. Kukri, mild steel with scabbard, size small, I guess. And that's where it was made in. And I got my hand over just shipping address, that's all. But here we got a little unboxing to do. So we gonna cut it here. Score down the middle. Another one along the side. Right there. There we go. Bing. Bing. We got two items in here. Two of the same. That's a Turtle Man Thunder Bowie. Stunt double. It says Turtle Man Thunder Stunt Double Bowie. Okay. And I'll explain to why I got this one. In a sec. See what I knew she's gonna look alright. I seen her one or two on the YouTube videos. You got a picture of him in his original stunt boy, which I believe is a 49er, Western W49er boy. That one he got in his hand there. And this is a copy of it. Probably a very good copy. Not the same, nowhere near the same steel. But as far as looks, it's going to beat that Pakistan out of them Pakistan style boys all day. Even though this is probably made in Pakistan. Probably made the higher specifications. I think, no, this is made in China. Yeah. Oh, she got heft to her. She is good and sharp. She got a point on it that's nice and ferocious. And it's got some good thickness to it. Cross guard is good and solid. Yeah, this is a hell of a good copy. Got Turtle Man on there. Turtle Man Thunder with a little turtle on there. Nice old generous clip point. Yeah, this is a true copy of the Western 49er with that indentment right there. That's the only knife I've ever seen with that indentment in the Picasso right there. So this is a copy of it. They did it probably pretty much to exact scale. And fit and finish on it is fairly good. You know. They even grooved it down. I think the 49er got a little groove in it right here. Yeah, they try to do it as much as the original as possible. But they don't call it the 49er, they call it the Turtle Man. Because that's the knife that he used. And this was TM001 stainless steel, China. I don't have a problem with that. And this is 420 steel. You know, they got 3 versions of this knife. They got one that comes in a Sandvik steel, 12C 27 Sandvik steel, and then they got one that comes in 440A, and this one is a 420. So this one is the most popular one, along with the sheath. And you can buy these sheaths separately if you like for other large knives, because you know Pakistan likes to make these similar style bowies. something real well with this. They put it on the back side if you're gonna carry it on the left. But yeah, it fits in there snug. No rattle and none of that. Probably a little minimal. It wouldn't be enough to bother anybody. But yeah, I think the sheath is well done too. Quality. All right. Excellent for the price. You know, coming from Amazon, it's not bad at all. And let's take a look at the second one. It's identical knives, but sometimes you can get one that's supposed to be identical. It could have a flaw in it. This one package got tape on it, so that's. The other one didn't have any tape on it. Wait a minute. It had tape on it, but it was already off. So this one wasn't. So let's see. Let's see what this one's like. It's all packed up good. Yeah, a nice old leather strap on the leg tie. Good quality sheath. But tip protector on there. Oh, it's even got a line inside there. I don't know if the other one had one in there or not. If it is, punch it down in there now. That's, take that out. So unless you get an actual W49er, these Turtle Man style knives are the closest you're gonna get to something that's identical in look. Not steel, but look. Because they made out of high carbon steel. And this is made out of stainless steel. 420 steel. Alright, so that's the first look, first impressions look. Along with the sheath. Good quality snap. This is a Smoky Mountain Knife Works product. Alright. I like it. Got no complaints about it. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed it. First look. Have a good day.